Tractor and Implement Museum in Pengrove, California. And they got a little bit of everything in here. I had one of these, exactly the same. Oh boy.
Okay, I've never found this one, but can you give me a little bit more better instructions?
Cool. So this is a 3-row radial mounted on a trailer, so it could actually be.
This motor here is a spare off the Spruce Goose. You know the Spruce Goose?
Yeah, yeah.
That's one of the motors.
Mm-hmm.
And now it's on static display. They don't have engines on it. But Steve fires this up for the open house, which is the first Saturday after 4th of July.
Cool.
And then the entire place is open to the public. And he'll fire this up, gets all the tractors out. And there's a 6-cylinder Fairbanks Morse under the
Yeah, I
tarps
gotta
over
look at
there.
that too. Yeah.
And,
Now you know there's a
everything
guy.
runs.
There's a guy in St. Helena that has.
I've seen that.
Yeah, and he fires them up downtown St. Helena.
Isn't that amazing?
Yeah.
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 Uh-huh.
I'm wondering if there's anybody that has a Packard Merlin around here that.
Oh, good luck getting your hands on one of them.
I know. The Western National Packard meet is the end of June in Roanoke Park, and they would like to have one on display.
I bet. Yeah. Yeah. No, they're hard to find.
Yeah,
You know,
very
because
hard to
the
find.
airplane people are scrounging them up.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Right. Yeah.
Yep.
Well, I'll run around and take a little video.
Yeah,
so I
enjoy
can-
yourself. Walk around.
All right.
Inside the barn is loaded with stuff all the way upstairs.
Yeah, I started over there and thought I had this on and it wasn't, so I went back
so
over.
you got to start over.
Yeah.
And did you go all the way upstairs?
Not yet.
There's a spiral staircase take you up
Yeah,
to the top.
I'll do that too. Yeah,
Watch yourself.
yeah.
Oh, okay.
Maybe I'll set them up on my plate over there.
Live steam actually does have a real boiler and firebox and would run. Okay, you figuring out what this is? Are you ready? Here goes. you've got it figured out, don't you? Okay, here I go.
That's when you take the back of her hair and get it in ink well. Are you getting all this?
Well, they did well with, they had the boys here and the girls there.
Oh. So you didn't have it. Well, when I was in school, they mentioned stuff, but I just up there on this. What grade are you in? 8th grade? Well, in my case, I've been, there for 75 years and married 50. Yeah. So far she hasn't shot me.
Very cool.
Yeah, you must be doing
Enjoy
something
your
right.
day. Thanks for watching.
57th anniversary.